Hi there, and welcome to Beyond Clean, your go-to spot for better cleaning. My name is Dale Rawlick, and in this series, we're going to walk you through simple tips of our most popular pieces of equipment. Whether you're unboxing, assembling, or you're ready to hit the floors, we've got you covered. Now we're going to dive into today's episode of Beyond Clean. The NaceCare 244NX or NUC 244NX, depending on how you ordered the configuration of the piece of equipment, where the batteries might be separate. If the batteries are included in the machine, there's a little side door where the batteries will be installed, either one or two up inside. Just by removing this, you're at the actual battery that powers the machine. Unboxing and uncrating the machine by simply removing the tabs, opening the points, remove the tab, open the points, one more tab down below. The machine has a heavy end or a base end down at the bottom. Opening up the door allow you to have access immediately to the brushes that come with the machine. Opening up this into here, we'll have access to the squeegee that is in the top. Opening the bottom tray and taking the machine from the front and wiggling the machine till it pops out to the floor. The rest of the packaging will have the charger cable for the appropriate country. Simply remove the top packaging and install the squeegee onto the back of the machine, onto the clips, connecting the hoses, the main pickup hose onto the base of the machine. And the installation of the brush, tipping the machine on its back, taking the brushes, opening the brush out of the box, depending on what you ordered for brushes, and just simply placing the brush, tapping onto the bottom of the machine, and the machine is now unboxed and ready for use.